Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another mystery item. See if you guys could on the comments, see if you know what, take a guess what it is, what this is. Okay, so we're gonna open it and let's see what we have. Okay, we have a sliding knife here. It's a Christy trademark, and it's got a patent number. And on the back, it's hard to say. It's hard to see. It says, "Made in the USA by Christy Corporation." It's made in Ohio, so it is an American knife. So what you do with this, obviously it has a little. You can put a lanyard. So what you do with this one, I don't know if you can tell right there. You push down, that releases it, and then you can just slide it all the way through. And it's got a couple of places you could put it in there, so it can stay different lengths. I don't know if you see it there. It's got little holes. So let's see how sharp this guy is. I'm gonna go back to our carpenter's pen. So for what it is, it's pretty sharp. Yeah, it's pretty sharp, small little knife. It actually has some play in it, but it actually is pretty sharp. And to close it, also same thing. You push down and you pull back, and it locks in place, so it won't come out. And the same thing, push down, and it'll lock in different places. Right here, it'll lock there, and won't come out. So I really like it. I got it on eBay for about, let's see, I can't remember exactly how much it was. So I got it on eBay. It was less than $20 for it, and there's a couple of them still out there. So if you guys like these type of knives, I really like the design of it, so I really like it. If you guys want some, look them up on eBay. There's still a few left, different styles though. You get a different style one, so check them out. Like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.